Hello everyone, we're going to start question number 4, in which we have been given two batteries of voltage 12 watt and 13 watt connected parallel. It is important to across with a load resistor 10 ohm. So internal resistance of two batteries is 1 ohm and 2 ohm. So therefore we will have that we'll apply the formula for parallel equation. So it will be E1 by R1 plus E2 by R2 upon 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, which will give us 12 by 1 plus 13 by 2 upon 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2. That is 37 by 3. Then we will find R equivalent, which is R1 into R2 upon R1 plus R2, which gives us 2 by 3 ohms. So V equals to E by R. Therefore V equivalent upon R plus R equivalent into R. That will be R 37 by 3 upon R plus 2 by 3 into R equals to 11.56 watt. Thank you.